Hello, my dear friends. Today I am going to share with you just few important tips that will make you English, that will help you to speak English fluently. You need to practice just basic words and basic sentences which we use daily in our daily routine, in our daily activities. So you have to speak like this. I am going, I am walking, I am eating, I am listening, I am watching, I am sleeping. These are very basic sentences, and this is very useful and very simple sentences you have to practice if you want to speak in English. Most of the people, they are just focusing only grammars, but if you only focusing on grammar, it is good for your exams and marks on your paper. But in our real life, if you want to speak, then you have to practice just basic sentences, basic words in English. Then you will be able to speak in English. uh, there are so many words like singing. Sing. I am singing. Talk. I am talking with you. Like running. I am running. I am running. Like draw. I am drawing. I am drawing. Write. I am writing. These are very small and small sentences and basic words and sentences. What what is the structure of this sentence? This you have to use just first subject, then am, is, are according to the person, number, and then verb plus ing. You have to add ing with verb. That is the very simple structure in grammar rule. So if you follow this rule just few days, then you will be fluent in English. And your confidence level will grow. So you must practice this structure and follow this structure and try to speak in English. I I'm giving more few examples like touch. I am touching my hands. Rub. I am rubbing my hands. Talk. I am talking with you. Speak. I am speaking English. These are very small, easy sentences. You will practice. So, my dear friends, just follow this structure and make new sentences, and you only focus on basic words. Then you must you must you must speak in English. So, my dear friends, that's all for today's video. I hope you understand. So please to like, subscribe, and follow me if you want to speak in English.